Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. And guys, we're gonna do a little bit of DIY for Valentine's, romantic gift idea, or any time of the year. If red is your favorite color, go for it. All right, I'm gonna do a candle holder, well, one off camera, and you can use it as a centerpiece. All right, we're gonna do two part. So this is the first idea, and all of these stuff are from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can get these from Home Sense or the dollar store or the thrift store, depends. These rhinestone mesh are from the dollar store, and I also have these beautiful acrylic gems from the dollar store as well. And I'm gonna use some of this ribbon. It's beautiful, and I'm gonna use it to bling this one out. I'm gonna cut about 5 leaves, and I'm gonna glue it just like that. I'm gonna take about 2 rows from this one, and I'm gonna add it around here. And there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna put it aside. And now with these 2 small candle holders, I'm just gonna glue them glue them together. I'm just gonna glue this piece of rhinestone across. And that's good, just like that. I'm gonna put that aside. These rhinestone mesh here, I'm gonna use this piece and this one. And look how beautiful this is. I love it. All right, now I'm going to use some of these gems, about 3 of them, or as much as it can hold, and I'm going to place them right here in the middle. And now you can use your Gorilla Glue or your E6000 along with some of this to put them together, because you want it to be strong. All right, I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna glue it on top. I'm gonna leave it to dry, and then I'm gonna clean it up. I got this from the Dollar Tree. My God, it's super heavy. Wow, look at it. They paint it like on the inside, so it has that glossy finish. My hand kind of get it messy, but you know what I mean. I have these rhinestones hearts, small one and the bigger ones, and I got them from the dollar store, like $1.50 a one. And I'm gonna bling this out because I'm gonna use it for a vase. I'm gonna use this or possibly this. We're gonna add all these hearts and we're gonna create somewhat of a design. And now I'm going to use the smaller ones and I'm going to repeat the process. And this is how it's looking. Look how pretty, and it's super heavy. Oh yes. I'm gonna put this one in the middle. However, when I put it down, it's gonna go too low. So I'm just gonna add a few of these in the bottom so it can sit up high. I have these beautiful pieces. They're like $1.25 from the dollar store. And I want to add a few pieces. I want to measure it because I want it to fit way down. So about this one. They're so hard. My hands are so tired, but I got the trick. I just cut it a little bit and then you want to bend it back and forth. Back and forward. Finally, until you break it. Or you need something to cut iron. I don't have it. We're just gonna stick this bad boy in. All right, I'm gonna stick it way down, just like that. And then I'm gonna use these shorter ones, and you want to just style it. I have these smaller red roses, and I think I'm going to cut them short and I'm going to stick them like all over it.
It's perfect.
This one, yes, Sonny, you know it. And then this one gonna go right here. Rhinestones, and to hide the white part in it, if you will see it, I'm gonna put some inside. Basically you can't see the foam, it's covered, and you want to make sure put it in between so it hides it. I'm gonna clean them up and then I'm gonna put both of them on display. This is the final result. As you can see, those are my candle holders from long time. Yes, you can also use those for Valentine's gift idea, home decor, centerpiece. They're beautiful and glamorous. They're the bling ones. And here I have my candle holders. and I set it on a tray, and that's the bling. There it is, and the other one is over here, or the next one. Beautiful floral arrangement, centerpiece, gift idea, home decor. I am so in love with it. If you want some romance, yes, candlelights. Or if you love red, I love red, and this will stay here. Yes, I'm not gonna change this one. I'm just gonna add some more stuff to it. This is gonna be my centerpiece for my Valentine's. All right, guys, this is it. Hi, guys. Love upon me, and I love upon you, and this is it, guys.